How to set up your brand new bare butt hammy. First, measure the distance. Should be about 12 to 15 feet, but a little more or a little less is just fine. Second, undo your rope and strap it up about 7 or 8 feet up on the trunk. Third, lace the rope through your beaners so that you can cinch your hammy up as high or as low as you need to. When you get it right where you want it, tie it off a couple times until it's secure. Remember to tug on the hammy to make sure it's good and tight. To get in, sit down straight and rotate. Then relax. When it's time to take it down, untie the knots and fold the hammy back into the stuff sack. Pull on the drawstring and close the stuff sack. When wrapping the ropes, make sure you leave some to twist around the opposite way. Thread the end in, and you're ready to go.